Hello YouTube. Here's another down and dirty video. Actually, it's an update on the do-it-yourself fence here I built. Some people had asked for updates on it, see how it was holding up. I was supposed to post an update after it was up for about a year. It's been going on 2.5 now. But actually I thought I put one up. I guess I just forgot. I filmed one. I guess I just never posted it. But anyway, I couldn't find that one, so we're doing it over again. It's been through a couple hurricanes. One actually named Hurricane a Cat 3. And as you can see, you know, it's spaced apart. It didn't make any difference. Main thing is, well, one of the negatives is you can see into your neighbor's backyard. And as you can see, their fence, there's some of it sitting down there. During the hurricane, it blew over and they replaced it. Of course, nothing happened to this one. The wind just passes through it. After a couple years, we do have a couple of the boards bowing. As you can see there, those are almost touching. Those are some little solar powered lights I put on that light up at night. But I knew it was going to happen. Like I said in my other video, I've done these before to keep horses in. Most of them didn't, but a few of them did. One of the big negatives with this fence compared to that type, if you do want to replace one of the boards, see there's another one, you have to pull off all the top ones because they're stacked on top of each other. And when you pull, you got to go all the way down. So it's a pain in the ass to do. I'm not going to do it. That would bother some. It doesn't bother me. The fence is holding up good though. It's still all nice and straight. The boards are all good. Very minor cracking, just, I mean, wood does that. But everything's held up fine. It's actually a lot stable. It's more stable now than it was because these have been in for a while. But it does wiggle. It'll always do that. It's just the nature of the way it's put together. Because of COVID and everything, I haven't, it's still where it was. I extended it down side here. And I never got around to doing the front. COVID hit, was a little unsure about what was going on, and then lumber prices went crazy, so it's just kind of stayed. Still haven't found anything to put on the top yet, or even hammer down the top of those T-bars and evened it out. But I'm happy with the fence. It's held up very well. A little bit of warping. Would I have done some things different? Yes. That board, which is the second one, you know, it's up higher because that one's on the ground, that one sits on top. Very easy to weed eat. I mean, it's not hard weed eating it, it's just like any other fence. But I wish I would have put some little spacers down and lifted that one off the ground also. It would have just made it easier. That's about the only thing I would have changed. Everything else is good. When you have a lot next door to you like I do, it's mowed over there, but not here by the property line. It does suck keeping all these weeds and little things from coming through. I'm constantly battling that. But that's about all I have to say. I'm happy with the fence. It's holding up good. Like I said, it's discolored. I knew it was going to do that. I wanted it to get darker. I'm happy it did that. Have about 5 or 6 of the boards really warped. Been better if they would have been in a different locations, the one that warped up, but hey, it is what it is. But again, I'm happy with the fence. I would do it again. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around the rest of the house once it cools off, because we're under heat warnings and it's hot as crap down here in the south. With heat index, it's like 112 or something. So once it starts cooling off and fall hits, I will wrap it around the house and finish it up. If I get it done then, I'll pop up another video. If not, it'll be fall. Or spring, excuse me. It'll be springtime when I get it finished up. Either way, once it's done, I'll post it up. And if you're watching this video first and you're wondering what the hell I'm talking about with my fence here, just go back and view the first video and hopefully that'll make more sense for you. As always, God bless.